So I have a new trumpet from AKLOT. This one was sent over for me to try out and demonstrate for everybody. It does also come with a beginner's trumpet book. This is geared a little bit more towards beginners, but it's a really nice trumpet that comes with everything you need to get started. You even have a cleaning brush so you can clean it out. We got our mouthpiece. It actually has an opening here for a second mouthpiece. Inside the case, I'll show you the trumpet here in just a second, but also inside the case, you do get some cleaning cloths, you get some white gloves, and you do have a user manual, which also tells you like how to hold it, how to add your mouthpiece, how to clean it, and all that stuff. Now, I own a few trumpets, but I haven't actively played in over 20 years. Also, it does come with a mute that blends in, so you can't really see it. But here is a close-up of this trumpet. They also have like 4 or 5 different colors that you could choose from. And personally, this is the one that I was interested in. It's got 2 spit valves. You also have a tuning valve here that you can actively and easily adjust as you play for different sounds. And the mouthpiece that comes with it is a 7C. It's been a little while. Like I mentioned, you also have your mute, which would be good for your kids that want to learn. Like my daughter's wanting to learn the trumpet. You add a mute to help you out. Now this mute is pretty simple. I would probably get a larger one, which I actually do have a couple different ones. But this is going to be really nice for your kids if you want them to be just a little bit quieter. And for the new people out there, like I mentioned, you also got this trumpet guide, this beginner's guide. It's also going to let you know like fingerings. It's going to let you know your breathing, your mouthpiece placement, playing posture. Like I wasn't even in the correct posture. I will let you know that. But like you have your fingerings chart. It's going to let you know which valves are which. It's also going to give you a diagram for your trumpet so you know what part is what. And it's going to give you the basics of learning and reading notes. Now, growing up, I would have loved to have one of these. I always had a loaner one or a rental, but this is a really nice trumpet from AKLOT. I think it looks really beautiful. I love the colors they have. I like their other colors too. The sound is pretty decent. You get everything that I showed you here. You got the really nice case. I like the case too. It feels premium. They do give you a couple extras, like you got the book, you got the cleaning cloths, you got a little mute. Now the mute, I would replace it with a better one eventually, but it is a good starter one to get you going. Now I've used mostly like Mendini and stuff, so this is the first AKLOT trumpet, but I think it looks beautiful. It works great, sounds great, and I think the price is awesome for what you get in this. But if you're looking for a really nice trumpet for yourself or your kid, check out the AKLOTs. I approve of this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.